Welcome back. In this video, I will show you exactly how to set up a fast and unlimited VPN for secure browsing. First, open any browser and type SSH SSL tunnel. Find the official website in the search results and tap on it.
Once you are on the home screen, go to the menu on the top left. From the submenu list, tap on Fast VPN. It opens the VPN list page, go to the search bar, type 24clan VPN and press enter. Tap on the app to download it. It will take a few minutes.
Once the download is done, tap open. You'll see the privacy policy. Just click agree and continue.
Make sure to allow notifications. When asked to disable battery optimization, select NO. This is important so the VPN doesn't stop while you are using it. Now let's configure it. On the home screen, tap the server menu and choose any server from the list that you prefer. Next, tap the tweak section. Here you can select a specific setting like the UDP all country tweak or one for your specific network. Once you're all set, tap the big connect button. Since it's your first time, you'll need to allow the VPN connection request. Just tap OK. And that's it. You are now connected and ready to go. Don't forget to like and subscribe to 12_5 Tech for more tutorials.